Hi everyone, my name is Layy and you're watching How to Mommy. Pasensya na kayo sa itsura ko tsaka sa voice ko because bagong gising tayo tapos wala akong nilagay sa face ko. It's still early in the morning and I'm taking the opportunity na tulog pa si baby, so I'm trying to film a makeup review. This is my second makeup review ever. Yung first makeup review ko is yung Sunny's Air Blush, which is actually tied up with a giveaway. So if you wanna win a Sunny's Air Blush, just check that video out. The link is in the description box, or you can also visit my Instagram page. You will find the mechanics there. Currently, it is still ongoing. I think today is June 10. So, meron pa kayong 5 days mag-join. And, yun nga, this is also gonna be a makeup review. Pero walang giveaway. Just, really interesting makeup review because we are trying the Ellana Mineral Cosmetics. Paulit-ulit ko nakikita yung ad ng Ellana sa Facebook, tsaka madami na ding YouTubers yung nag-review ng Ellana before. It's not something new. In fact, yung favorite ko na video is medyo matagal na, tsaka yung mga wear test nila is, it's been going on for quite a while, pero I think they improved their packaging or their formula at marami silang in-add na products, but hindi ko ito try lahat kasi wala akong budget. Yung ito try ko is yung mineral foundation nila, yung primer, tsaka yung setting spray, kasi sabi nila it's gonna be waterproof. So in this video, you're gonna see me put on my makeup tapos ilulublob ko yung face ko sa water, as in literally I'm so nervous, but I'm also very excited to try that kung hindi ba talaga mabubura yung makeup ko. So let's start. First, I will be using their makeup primer. This is a DD plus CC makeup primer. So, meron din siyang coverage. And it is, meron din siyang sunscreen. SPF 30 daw siya. Tapos, it is moisturizing. So, gusto ko talaga itong mga products na ganito. Kasi, ako yung type na parang ayaw kong maraming nilalagay sa face ko. So, yung mga ganito na parang may triple purpose, I really love it. So, let's try it. It is color correcting tsaka daily defense siya so that's really good. Tapos primer siya. It helps daw na kumakapit yung product more sa face natin kapag may primer tayo eh. Just ganito. Ay, ang dami. Sa Ellana daw talaga, a little goes a long way. Kasi ang dami nagsasabing mahal yung Ellana eh. But the truth is, konti lang kasi yung kailangan mong gamitin. Ayan guys. This side of my face, wala pa siyang primer. Tapos ito meron na. We can see that talaga siya nagbe-brighten up siya. So wala siyang coverage masyado. It's a CC cream. Yung CC cream, ganun talaga yun eh. Tapos, so bagay siya pang primer kasi kahit maglagay ka ng foundation on top of it, then hindi siya parang super puti ng face mo. So it's really good. It really has moisturizing effect. Ako, normally, after I wash my face, I put moisturizer tapos sunscreen. Pero, because of this product, hindi ko na kailangan gawin yun. Diretso na lang ako sa primer na to kasi it has a moisturizing effect and it has a sunscreen. And, hindi masyadong nakikita sa camera. I'm looking at my face here right now. Pero, on the, like sa personal, it really has a brightening effect. So, if ayaw ko mag-makeup, I can put this on. Tapos labas ako. Ang ganda ng face ko. Anyway, let's finish the other side. Ayan, so whole face ko na ang may brightening, diba? Okay naman siya. Wala siyang scent, by the way, and wala siyang reaction sa skin ko like makate or anything. So, we are done with priming our face. Next is yung foundation. The foundation they have is in powder form. This is the Ellana Loose Mineral Foundation and my shade is Chai Tea Latte. Kaso nga lang, this is just a refill. So, kailangan ko pa siya i-transfer to another container. Ayan. Konti lang ilalagay ko, hindi ko lang pupunuin. Meron din pala siyang SPF 16. So, aside from the primer, hindi ko alam, meron din pala SPF yung mineral foundation nila. Ganda. It's very good. So now, ito na yung foundation. To be able to apply this sa face ko, I'm gonna use a brush. Pero gagamitin ko yung technique ni Miss May Layug na yung brush niya, she sprayed the setting spray muna para mas pack daw, sabi niya. So this is my brush. It has to be a dense brush. I don't know if this is dense enough, pero ito lang yung brush na meron ako. So, spray natin ng konti. So, medyo basa na si brush. You don't really have to do this. As in, ako lang kasi feel kong gawin. Ayan. Where's my mirror? Dito tayo sa one side muna. Can you see it? I don't know if it's because binasa ako yung brush, pero maganda talaga yung coverage. Ayun, kita nyo? Nawala yung redness. So, we're done applying the loose mineral foundation on this side of my face. Ito, wala pa. Yung nakikita ko, ang pangit ng camera ko, so it doesn't really register so well. But, sa totoo lang, itong side na to, na-conceal niya talaga yung redness around my nose. Kasi super red ng itong part ng nose ko. Tapos, ito, meron pa konti. Kasi hindi naman siya full coverage. Pero, may medium coverage na. Tingnan mo, yung pinaka-obvious na part is yung ito talaga na hindi ko nako-conceal on a daily basis. Yung around my eyes, tingnan mo. This side of my eye, nawala na yung darkness yung dark circle. Pero dito, kitang-kita pa. So, this foundation is really good for my face. Parang hiyang siya. Parang bagay siya na hindi yung parang pupunta ako ng JS prom. Hindi yung ganun. Pero maganda yung niya, pagka-natural finish niya. Tapos, may good coverage siya. So, tapusin natin yung other side. Ayan, guys. We're done. Okay yung coverage, no? Kasi there's no liquid foundation there. It's just diretso the loose mineral powder. And ang ganda ng coverage. So now we are gonna finish the rest of my makeup with non-Ellana product.
A few moments later.
So now my makeup is done. Yung gamit ko is Fashion Brow Duo Shaper Pangkilay from Maybelline. Yung KJM Cheek and Lip Tint in Bloodshot. And yung Sunny's Face na Fluff Matte in Milkshake for my lips. Wala tayong eye makeup, wala tayong lashes. Hindi ako mahilig, but I will learn it in the next couple of weeks. So anyway, my look is done. And to seal in the look, we will use the Flower Power Setting Spray of Ellana, which is bagay daw sa dry skin. Meron silang dalawang setting spray, but both has the same effect na naglo-lock in ng makeup sa face, even if it's not Ellana daw. So, what it does is, it makes sure na hindi nabubura yung makeup, or it helps na hindi nabubura yung makeup. But of course, it works better if yung primer is Ellana, and if yung loose mineral foundation is Ellana. And then, ko meron din silang pang kilay, pang cheeks, pang lips. Pero yun na nga, wala ang budget. Pero next time, we'll try it all. So, let's use the setting spray. Ito nga pala yung gamit ko din sa brush para medyo mag-moist yung brush before I apply the mineral foundation, which is good. Gusto ko siya kasi parang if mahilig kayo sa liquid foundation, yun yung consistency na nabibigay niya. So, when I was applying foundation, parang liquid foundation yung sinispread ko sa face ko. So, that's good. But dinig ko nga, kahit hindi mo lagyan ng setting spray yung brush mo, it's still okay. It's still going to last on your face. May ring light nga pala ako ngayon, guys. So, tingnan natin if walang ring light. So, nandito tayo sa my window. I just wanna show you how it looks like under natural light talaga. So, ipaset lang natin ng maayos yung makeup sa face and then we're gonna do the jumpsuit challenge ba yun? Yung parang, basta, yung igaganon ko yung face ko sa bowl.
A few moments later.
So, now we are ready to do the challenge. Ito na yung bowl of water ko. Gusto ko sana mag-swimming pero wala kaming time mag-swimming. So, dito muna tayo sa bowl of water. We're just gonna dive into it. Tapos, meron tayong white towel. Kasi check natin kung may magta-transfer, meaning hindi siya waterproof. If hindi magta-transfer, then it is definitely waterproof. So far ngayon, habang nagpe-film ako, nagwe-wait ako, hinahanda ko yung bowl of water, pinagpapawisan yung T-zone ko, or nag-oil up, I don't know what's happening. Pero okay pa rin, it's not moving. My makeup is not moving. In fact, nakukuha ko yung oil and all. Yung sweat, nakukuha ko. I can just pat it dry. Pero hindi nagta-transfer yung makeup, which is really good. So, let's do it. Kinakabahan ako eh. Ang linis ng tubig. Walang pumunta sa tubig. Like, if you think the powder is gonna go there and float, wala. Ang galing. So, ano ba nangyari sa kilay ko? Ang haba kasi ng hair ng kilay ko. Ano ba yan? So, we'll use the towel and pat our face. Kita nyo? Wala nag-transfer. Galing, no? Ulitin natin. Wala talaga. Grabe. Ayan o. Wala talagang nag-transfer. Wow, ang galing. I'm very, very impressed. Actually, kinabahan ako for Ellana eh. So, yun na nga. Look at my face. This is after has, and I swear this is really after the jumpsuit challenge. So, okay pa rin yung face ko. I look very presentable. And I imagine ko rin yung self ko na ginagawa ko to while doing an outdoor photo shoot, while attending a beach wedding, if I will be going to the beach, tapos gusto kong umaara-ara pa tayo before and after swimming, di ba pwede tong ganito? So like for example, during swimming, gusto ko magpa-photo shoot with a GoPro underwater, o di ba? Why not? Kasi parang it was also able to do a locking in effect of the lipstick, yung cheek tint. Andyan pa yung cheek tint. Pero I can't blame it if wala na siya kasi hindi naman sabi ng KJM na waterproof siya, di ba? Pero yung setting spray ng Ellana, it really helped. Andyan pa siya. Hindi siya na-transfer sa hindi siya na-transfer sa white na towel. Yung kilay ko, medyo napansin ko, parang nirub ko kasi natanggal siya. So, hindi waterproof yung kilay ko. That's why Ellana has a brow product din. We can try that next time. Tapos yung lipstick, andyan pa din. Tingnan natin ulit sa natural light. Anong itsura ko. So, ayan guys. Sa totoo lang, mukha pa siyang bagong in-apply na makeup. This is after after kung pumunta sa water. So, dito na ako mag-outro. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and check me out on my other social media accounts. Tsaka, drop your video suggestions below. Let me know kung anong gusto nyong gawin ko. Ako, I do kasi entertaining videos. I do mommy videos. Tapos, I do makeup reviews and skincare. Kasi, yun yung mga hilig ko. Tapos, ayoko mag-make ng separate channel for each. So, nandito lahat sa How to Mommy. I hope you can subscribe. Check me out on my social media accounts. Ano ba yun? Paulit-ulit. Thank you talaga if you're still watching until now. And let me know your thoughts below.